terms of the F-35s as well, obviously we're facing some pretty severe geopolitical tensions at the moment. We've got what's happening in Russia, we've got what's happening in the Indo-Pacific, somewhat in the Middle East. So do you think that this gives an impetus for a lot of governments to rethink the amount that they're spending on defence, and it could see increased spending moving forward over the next couple of years?
Well, we'll certainly, we tend to always focus on world events, but I would suggest that there's a long-term trend. There's folks out there, large entities, small entities, who are challenging the security of the free nations. And so that security continues to be important. I think the markets continue to grow. And I think, yes, nations, I think, in general, it's hard to generalize because there's so many different countries. We have over 50 we operate in. But in general, I think nations are taking increasingly serious that broad range of security challenges, and they're looking to companies like Lockheed Martin who can bring in comprehensive integrated solutions to that.
Now, I wanted to talk about Aerojet not getting liftoff from the regulators, but in a different kind of tack, because you look around Asia, you see what China's doing in terms of hypersonic. Do you think that not being able to have that collaboration with Aerojet is almost detrimental to the hypersonic capabilities, considering the investment that could have been poured in to this space with that partnership?
Well, I think fundamentally we already have a partnership with Aerojet. We work with them on a number of systems, the THAAD system, the Patriot MSC system, for example, and that'll continue. I think the innovation will continue. The technical aspects of those programs will continue forward unabated. This was a bit about the economics and the synergy and bringing value and investment. And so while we're disappointed that the Aerojet deal is not continuing, we're going to continue, I think, and you're going to see these systems advance at the same rate they would have otherwise, technically speaking.
And you're looking to double your hypersonic capability as well by 2026, correct?
By you mean
the spend or the investment, because you've got the CPS, you've got all of the other missile systems?
Yeah. So we have about 6 systems right now that we're working on simultaneously, and we expect those to continue forward and go into production. And yes, this is a growing market. It's a growing threat. It's a need that more nations in the United States are going to have here in coming years.